Here you go. Oh, open this one first.
Can you say presents?
Yeah. You want some help?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Piper's gonna help.
Piper. Okay, Piper. No. Down.
Just rip away.
Okay. Let's get this ribbon off, and then, okay, now can you rip the paper? Good job. Present. You want some help? Okay, watch this. Oh, can you rip it? Present. Wow. Rip it.
Rip it open.
Good job. What's in
Now
it?
pull that out. Can you pull that out of there?
Yeah, let's look at this.
What is it?
This? Oh, is that a sweatshirt?
Ooh.
Cool.
Okay,
this
next
one.
one.
Too? Okay, let's read the card. Happy birthday to Baker. 2 years already. Lots of hugs and kisses from us in Norway. You want to read it? Are you going to read that? What does that say? Yeah? All done. Okay. Do you want to open it? Okay. Let's get this ribbon off. Okay, ready? Now, can you rip that one open?
Yeah, pull hard.
Keep ripping. Good job. Okay, now flip it over. Now, try this.
Whoa. Rip, rip, rip.
You want some help, please? Okay, ready? Watch this.
What's that? Ooh, clothes.
Whoa. Do you love it? Cool paper. Oh my god, a chambray.
Can you say nice?
Nice. Baker, can you say thank you? Good job.